Hi everyone, thank you for clicking. My name is Sammy Kikoy and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be reacting to another Void Impact song, and I received a lot of requests from you guys. And the first song that we will be reacting is Never Enough from the movie The Greatest Showman. And after this one, I'll be making a lot of reaction video, successive reaction video. So I'll shut up and let's start. That was actually live, and the audio quality is not that good, and I hear a lot of people talking behind the camera, and I think this was taken through a fan cam, and the voices were good. There is a lot of crazy notes, the blending. Anyways, if you have any more Void Impact videos you want me to react, just drop a comment down below. If you like this video, please give me a massive thumbs up, and if you're not yet part of the family, please subscribe and please click the bell button for you to be notified every time I upload new videos.